Students, so dear students, in the last class we are discussing about the sun. Okay, just recall it what we have learned yesterday. Okay, so which is the biggest star of the solar system? That is sun. Is it? So the sun is a big star and it is nearest star to the earth. These things we have learned yesterday. Is it? The sun is the huge ball of the hot gases. In the sun, so many hot gases are present. Okay, so you cannot touch it because it's have a sharp light, or you can say it's have a more number of the temperature, so you can't reach there. Sun is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. Is it? So these things we have learned yesterday. So dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss some more fast facts about the planets. In the last class we have discussed that in the solar system 8 planets are there with their subplanets. Okay, so let's discuss what are those planets. Okay, according to the distance from the sun. Is it? So here we have the name of the planets. According to the distance from the sun, how many planets are there? Let us we are going to count now. Okay, so first one is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, so here totally how many planets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it? So dear students, how we can remember these names? So we have one idea how we can remember this solar system, or you can say the planet's name. So we have one sentence. What is that sentence? Let's look at here. Okay, so what is the sentence here? My very excited mom just sold us 9 pizzas. Okay, so one of the sentence is there, you have to be remember this sentence. What is that sentence? That my very excited mama, or you can say mom, what she done? She has done that she just sold us 9 pizzas. Do you like to eat pizzas? My mom, what she sold? She has sold 9 pizzas. Okay, so what is the relation of the name and this sentence? Okay, so let's discuss here. With the letter of M, that is the my, you can remember the word as a Mercury. With the letter of V, you can remember the word as a or planet name Venus. Next is the excited. Okay, with the letter E, you can remember the name of Earth. With the name of mom, that is M, letter M, you can remember the Mars. Next word is the just. With the letter of J, what you can remember? Jupiter. With the letter of S, that is you can remember as a Saturn. Okay. With the letter of U, that is the us, you can remember the word as a planet name Uranus. Next is the letter N, that is the 9 pizzas. Okay, so you can remember the letter as a Neptune. Next is the last word is the P, that is the pizzas, you can remember the letter as a Pluto. Okay, so just by remembering this sentence, you can remember all the planets names. So just recall it. What are the name of these planets? My very excited mama just sold us 9 pizzas. Is it? M is Mercury, V is Venus, X is the Earth, M is the Mars, J is the Jupiter, S is the Saturn, U is the Uranus, N is the Neptune, P is the Pluto. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful for you to remember the planet's name. Okay, now you all are familiar with the planet's name. So in the next class I will ask you what are the name of these planets. Okay. Next, how these planets are in the solar system. All planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path called as a orbit. Okay. So, how it going to be revolve? It is revolving around the sun. Okay. So, you can just observe here, this is the circle path. Okay. This is the circular path, or this circular path is nothing but the orbit. So, in the center the sun is present. So, what are so all the planets are revolving around the sun. You can see here this circular path. Okay, one planet, two planet, you can see here, observe here, this is the earth. Okay, earth is also revolving around the sun. Mars is also revolving around the sun. Uranus is also revolving around the sun. Pluto is also revolving around the sun. So what is the work of this all the planets? What they are doing? They are doing the moving around the sun, or you can say all planets revolve. Okay, revolve around the sun in a fixed path called as the orbit. This circular path is nothing but the orbit. Okay. So here let us some new facts about the, let us know about the some new facts about the earth. What is the new facts about this? Let's see. So the planets have no light of their own. Okay. So dear students, whether this planet or our earth, they have their the earth is have their own light? No. So how we are getting the light? We can get the light from the sun, is it? So planets get heat and light from the sun. So you have to be remember this thing, how the earth get the light from the sun. So the planets have no light of their own, and this get heat and light from the sun. So let us discuss about some new facts which is very important. What is that important things? Which is the closest planet to the sun? Okay, so in the solar system, which is the closest planet to the sun? That is nothing but the Mercury. Okay, so 1 marks question also can be asked, or in the generally anyone can you ask you which is the closest planet to the sun? That is the Mercury. Next is the next fact is which is the smallest planet in the solar system? That is the Mercury. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? That is the Jupiter. Which is the which planet have the beautiful rings? That is the Saturn. Okay, so these are the planets name and some interesting facts about these things. So here already we have know which is the closest planet to the sun, that is the Mercury, whereas which is the farthest planet to the sun, that is the Neptune. Okay, so these things you must to be know about the solar system. Okay, so dear students, in today's class we have just introduced the solar system and the planet name, is it? And we just learn about some new facts which is very interesting. So in the next class let us discuss about the new concept, that is the stars. So dear students, till the next class just recall these things and keep learning. Have a good day. Bye bye.